Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this video is long overdue, but today I am going to be showing you what is and has been my home here in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Stay tuned, hit the like button, subscribe, and enjoy the video. House tour. After I decided that Ethiopia was going to be home for the next couple of months or years, I had to figure out a best way or best accommodation that would suit my needs and be budget friendly. So I came across this accommodation on booking.com, which actually happens to be a hostel at just $8 per night. I am standing out of which is home for me here in Addis, and I want to give you a room tour of this place. Come and enjoy the video. So once you come in, you get inside from here, and the first thing you get is this like major big compound. As you can see, you can hang your clothes on that side. The one good thing I love about this place is that everything is authentically put in place, like thoughtfully put in place. We have some plants, as you can see, and then once you come inside, you come to the sitting area, and immediately you come here, you will meet her, say hi, and of course Rona is our favorite dog, very friendly. And the sitting area, of course, when you arrive here, the receptionist, and then from there we have like a bar where you get to chill a drink if you want to enjoy and relax. And then outside, where I don't have the energy because I have a long way to go, we have like the bar area where you can chill, sit with your drink with your friends. And the good thing with this place, as I always tell you guys, I love staying in hostels because you get to meet other travelers, you get to meet other people who love travel, who are enthusiasts of travel, you know, and you have a good time. So behind us we have this good authentic wall that you get to see some good design. As I told you, the good thing with this place, it's very homely and everything is well thought of. So let me take you to the common area. So this is the common area where you get to chill, enjoy some Wi-Fi. There's Wi-Fi here and downstairs, and then you have like a small area out here that people really used to enjoy sitting down, enjoying having conversations with people, and the dining area where you get to eat. I have done my videos here. I'm sure this place is more familiar to you. And then we have a space here which has like the washing machine, and you're actually living in paradise in this place. So let me show you the kitchen also. This is the kitchen where I was barely cooking, but I had friends who helped me cook, which I thought was pretty interesting. Now, as a solo traveler, you might have so many questions if you're scared of traveling before, and you'll be like, life is going to be lonely, it's going to be scary. But that is not the case actually, because when you're traveling in places, especially like a hostel, you get to meet very lovely people. As you've seen the host down there, she's very, very lovely. I enjoyed staying in this place. Actually guys, this video is not sponsored, I'm just sharing my good experience here. So from there, this place is a hostel, as I said, and you get to have different places you can stay. So there are like the bank's bed, the downstairs and the upstairs bed, and let me take you there. I'll take you to where I've been staying. See, like this place has labels of Harar, Arbamint, and Lalibela. I'm going to point out for you places that I've stayed. I've stayed in Harar, so as much as I've not visited Harar itself, I have slept in Harar. I have slept in Arbamint. What a coincidence! I have slept in Arbamint. I have not slept in Lalibela, but I have visited Lalibela. So let me take you to my room. Fortunately, right now I am staying in the highest rooftop, so you will get to see the whole of this place. We also have Aksum. I've not visited Aksum. I've not slept in Aksum. There's Omo, not Twent, not visited. There's Gonda. I have visited Gonda and I've stayed in Gonda. And there's Bole. I have not visited Bole and I've not stayed in Bole. Let me show you Gonda. I don't know if it's in there. I think people just checked out. Let's snoopy. Let's snoopy. As you can see, maybe I think 2 people checked out, but you can have rooms that have a bed bank, and there's, even if you don't like love the hostel vibe, there's rooms. So I'm saying there's rooms. I've stayed here, so I know there are rooms that can have like one specific bed. If you don't want this sort of bed and you just want your own room, you can definitely get that. The good thing I loved with staying here at Gonda, and also I loved about staying in the 2 places, Arba Minch and what was the name of the other one? Yeah, is the beautiful view you get to have from the windows. So let me show you the view from here. Oh my God. See, I was waking up to this. If this doesn't make you travel and come and stay here, I don't know what else makes you. So let me take you to my room, my exact room. This room has a very, very beautiful view. You have no idea. Now, I have been staying in Danakil. I wish I could go to Danakil Depression, but these are more reasons why Ethiopia is a must come back, because there are many things to see. Let's get in. Oh, shoot. I locked. So when you come in, there's my bed. Let's just say I got privileged to have a bed by myself and a seat to place my things, and I have my trash there. And then this is my washroom, and you have a hot shower, just in case I didn't mention. Hot shower even on the sink, like if you want hot shower, which was pretty awesome. Staying here makes me feel at home. Great. I have met awesome people who have created awesome memories here. We've become good friends, and even some friends for life. Absolutely. This, when I talk about Addis, I know, I remember this is a good place that I have created lots of memories, and it's because it has awesome people. Great. You will not regret it. I promise you. You can check out this place at booking.com, and as I said, this is not anywhere in terms of sponsored or anything. I just loved my stay here, and I also wanted to share with you my stay here, as sadly this could be my last day. Anyway, let me show you my balcony in this new room in Danakil and the view I get to have. So, Addis, I'm sorry that the sun is preventing you from seeing how such a beautiful view I have. And then we have a building happening over there, and my goodness, good views, just good views. First, thank you very much for getting to this part of the video. Hit the like button, and also remember to subscribe. I just wanted to tell you guys that this place is actually like 15 minutes walk away from Bole, from Edna Mall. There are so many like areas around that you can enjoy shopping, eating, so many joints for all those things. So this has made my stay in the center of the city such an interesting thing. I'm grateful for a great hostel. Don't say I didn't share somewhere you can come and stay at such an affordable price. Feel at home, enjoy your stay, and be happy at the same time. According to me, there's for sure no reason for you to go and break your bank when you can have the most luxurious and affordable, budget-friendly place to rest your head, meet awesome people, a place to cook, wash your clothes, and have the best home away from home experience. And just in case you can't find this place on booking.com, just head over at Mad Vervet. I'm going to leave the details in the description box, because Biza was such a good friend of mine that I can promote her business. And I hope you get a chance to come and stay at Mad Vervet, create awesome memories, meet awesome travelers, and just have your best time here in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. So what are you waiting for? Go out there and experience Ethiopia, the Horn of Africa. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, of course, hit the like, and thank you so much for watching my home here in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Until next time, bye for now.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second.